So, alright, so I'm going to demonstrate how to walk a walking lure. It is my #1 catching lure. It is the best topwater. This is the Dogma. I think it's the 115. I have so many. But anyway, when you cast it, you're going to make little twitches as you reel it in. So, and that'll make it go left and right. So, let's see. So let's cast it. All right. Thing casts a mile, by the way. Now, as I reel it, I'm constantly twitching the rod, and this makes the lure walk left and right, right, left, left, right, left, right, 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 and it looks like a dying fish until finally a fish jumps up and eats it. And notice I'm constantly reeling, but on every half a reel, I'm doing a twitch. Every half reel. And it just makes it go left and right. Every half reel. And you can change the speed. So if they, sometimes they like it slow, but I get a good reaction when I go, rather quickly. And I get a better hook set when I do that too. Sometimes if you just stop, they'll jump on it. You never know. You just never know. They're underneath there like predators. And that is how you work a walking bait. Or walk the dog. I don't understand why they say walk the dog, because you're walking a fish. So this is walk the fish. If I was walking a dog, well, that'd be stupid in the leg. So, let's see if I get something on this one. Then we'll stop the lesson. This is not usually my topwater spot. So we're going to go to the topwater spot where I get smallmouth. Be right back.